Hello, hi. This is Arts classes. All of you are welcome there. I am Arvind Kumar introducing Biology 10th class part 1, that is life process. What is life process? The process belongs to life. The process which maintain the life on earth is called life process, and in detail we can define as life process it is basic processes, basic processes or functions which support life on earth. It includes energy maintenance, growth of the cells and the organism, development, reproduction, either cell or individual or organism, and adaptation of organism or cell or individual in the environment, in the existing environment. That means this function provide energy maintenance, growth, development, reproduction, adaptation, and also evolution. Next we start how many types of life process. How many types of life process which maintain the organism, survive on earth. First, nutrition. The second, respiration. Third, circulation. Fourth, excretion. Fifth, nervous system, etc. Now we start the nutrition. Actually, these are the systems found in approx all organisms. The nutrition What is nutrition? It is the science that retaining that interprets nutrient for supporting life, it provides energy, growth, cells, development, reproduction, etc. It is the science that interprets nutrition for supporting life. It provides energy, growth, development, reproduction, etc. न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? ये न्यूट्रिएंट है. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. नाउ वी डिफाइन न्यूट्रिएंट. व्हाट आर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स? What are the nutrients? Those substance which compounds are essential for life process. The example of nutrients are, main example of nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, hard fat. These are most important. These are also called macromolecules. इसको मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स भी बोलते हैं. कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज द एनर्जी source. Proteins are building block of organism. Fat is also energy source, but also synthesize hormones and other important materials, things other than this also present in microform, that is vitamins, nutrient, vitamins, nutrients and water. Vitamin enhance the metabolic activity inside the living organism. Nutrients also support enzyme and metabolic reactions or processes. Water is essential where maximum metabolic reactions occur. Water is the solvent and supports all metabolic activities inside the cell or organism or individual. If you discuss mode of nutrition, how many types of nutrition? There are mainly two types of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition. Here, auto means self, and trophic means nutrient. Trophic means food or nutrient. Auto means self, trophic means food. This means the organism which synthesize their food itself, including autotrophs or autotrophs. Those organisms synthesize their food the organism synthesize their food in presence of simple inorganic materials with the help of light. This type of autotrophic nutrition is called light dependent autotrophic या photoautotropic. This type of nutrition is called photoautotropic. Most of the green plants or blue-green algae, most green plants and green algae synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis. Do you know photosynthesis? Photosynthesis. What do you mean photosynthesis? The term photon means light. and the synthesis to make food. ठीक है. Photosynthesis means synthesis of food in presence of light. We also define photosynthesis as photosynthesis is a light dependent or photobiochemical process. Photobiochemical process. It means these are photo means light and biochemical यानी chemical process inside the living. Therefore, the process is called biochemical. It is the photobiochemical process in which radiant energy or light energy, radiant energy, or it also called light energy converted into chemical energy. Here, light energy is converted into chemical energy. That means the energy of light converted into chemical energy. That chemical energy in the form of ATP or NADPH. These are chemical energy. These chemical energy utilized for reduction of CO2, carbon dioxide received from the air by the stomata in green plants, reduce CO2 into simple glucose. CO2 into simple glucose by releasing oxygen in air. It means plant absorb CO2 inside from the air or environment and release O2 from inside the plant into the environment. Thus, plant maintain CO2 and O2 in the air or environment. Second is the chemoautotrophs. The second is, are you getting my point? Second, the chemoautotrophic. Here, the chemo means chemical, and autotrophs means self-synthesis. Here we combine the energy required for synthesis of food derived from chemical matter, chemical compound या chemical substances. The energy required for synthesis of food derived from chemical compound, then it is called chemoautotrophs. Most of the bacteria uses chemicals for autotrophic nutrition. For example, sulfur bacteria, hydrogen bacteria, iron bacteria, it is. The third mode of nutrition is heterotrophs. Here we again differentiate hetero and trophs. Hetero means different. And trophs means to make food. Trophs means to take food. Heterotrophs या heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition, these the process those organisms derive their food from the producer, are called heterotrophs. Because these organisms unable to produce food itself, therefore they depend for their food on plants or other animals. But the just herbivores depend just on plants. Heterotrophs, the organism depend for their on producer or plants, are called heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophs, and the process of nutrition is called, and the process of nutrition is called heterotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition. In heterotrophic nutrition, again differentiation that are explained. First, saprophytic nutrition. This is the type of nutrition which derives from the dead organic matter, and the organism which derive this type of matter are called saprotrophs. This is the type of nutrition derived from dead organic matter is called saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, and the organism which derived by the process of saprophytic by this process are called saprotrophs. The organisms derive their food derive their food or depend their food on dead decaying matter are called saprotrophs. The example of saprotrophs: fungi, these organisms release enzymes outside, and degrade dead decaying. This is organic matter. This organic matter is simplified by the enzymes and then absorbed into the fungi. That means here the nature of food is absorptive. Nature of food taking is absorptive. Fungi also bacteria. The second in heterotrophs is parasitic nutrition. It is the type of nutrition It is the type of nutrition in which the food derived from other organisms in the form of sap or blood. in parasitic nutrition, two type of nutrition is two type of also suppose the organisms are called parasites. Parasitic nutrition is also of two types. First, ectoparasite and second, endoparasite. Ectoparasite, the organism appear on surface of the host. The parasite which derive nutrition from the host is called parasite. Parasite, the organism which derive nutrition from other organism is called parasite, and the organism which support for nutrition are called host. Here ectoparasite on the surface of organism, and in this case parasites occur inside the organism, either outside the tissue or inside the tissue. In this case, ectoparasite, in this case, leeches is the main example. Endoparasite, Plasmodium is the protozoans which cause malaria, Entamoeba histolytica and Amoeba histolytica. It is also protozoans causes dysentery in humans. Parasites sucks nutrient from the host, either with the help of sucker like structure. The third mode of nutrition is holozoic. Third mode of nutrition is holozoic. The food is taken in solid mode. Food is taken by the organism in solid form is called holozoic nutrition. It is called holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. Holo means complete as usual, and zoic means animal like. As usual, zoic means holo means as whole, and zoic means animal. It means take the nutrition as in animals. Animals take their food in solid form. All animals take their food in this process. The animals are holozoic. खत्म हो गया ना? Holozoic. Student, I must introducing photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. I am introducing photosynthesis. The definition of photosynthesis already given, and here there is no need of definition. Overall reaction, I again repeat, it is biochemical process in which photobiochemical process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. This again converted or reduce CO2 into glucose by releasing oxygen. Overall reaction, six molecule of carbon dioxide plus 12 molecule of water plus light and chlorophyll. This is most important pigment in all green plants. Without chlorophyll, there is no photosynthesis. It converts light, convert chemical energy. C6H12O6, 6H2O plus 6O2. This is overall reaction given by Ruben Kamen. Ruben Kamen.
Blue color.
Thanks. I will introduce next time. Bye.